Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about views. We are going to talk about M1 view. I think this is really nice feature that basically helps a lot of people that don't have that extra money to be able to pay for dividend tracking software and all these things. If this is where you put all your money, you just want to know, okay, which one is paying me more? How much have I gotten paid? Which part of my portfolio paid me more? So for someone like me, that I love diversifying my portfolio pretty much to the extreme. Okay, I do this for basically safety. Okay, I don't want to lose all my hard-earned money, and I diversify my investments into multiple different companies. Like for example, if I look, I have passive income, I have ETF, I have ARK, I have Berkshire Hathaway, I have some stock picks, I have some ETFs here, and I have some cryptocurrencies. So let's say, for example, if we pop into the cryptocurrency section, for example, this one hasn't paid me much, so it won't be a good example. Let me look at a different one. So let's say if we pop into the Berkshire Hathaway section, for example, this is a model of Warren Buffett's portfolio. Okay, so let's now zoom here and take a look at views for a moment. Okay, if we take a look like for the month here, right? If you click on the month, we can see that in this month, right, this side of the portfolio generated $6.88. So how do I know which one paid me for that month? Okay, if I want to know which one paid me, now I can just click right here and I can see that, oh, these three companies paid me: Bank of America, Coca-Cola, and Kraft Heinz. They paid me a total of $6.88. This is such a unique feature. This is quite nice. This is more and more reason why I love using this app, this software for my finance. It's like a super app of investment. It's really amazing. I think the people that are building this, they are probably using like the Elon Musk model. If Elon Musk was to build something, probably would have built something like this, and I think it's something like this that he wanted to do with PayPal. Anyways, that's besides the point. So let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at the passive income section here. So with this one, I have pies within pies, right? I have the electric and transportation, I have tech, I have monthly income, consumer, finance, real estate. So I have all these different sector of the economy that I have interest in to invest in. Okay, so before, what we just have is, we would just have, if I click on 1 month, I would just see that, okay, I got paid $30. Okay, I would have to go search activities and look at and put the dates in and be able, that is a little bit tedious trying to figure out which company paid you for the month. Now you can just click right here, just one button, you're able to see, oh, my real estate sector, they paid me $9. My monthly income sector paid me $6. My healthcare paid me $3. My finance paid me $2. I feel like this is such a neat feature to have in your in your broker. This is so nice. Like, it really is. Okay, so let's now take a look. Let's say we take a closer look. We look at the monthly income section, for example, right? So for the month here, I've got a total of $6. All right, total of $6. If I want to see which company paid me those $6, then I just click on view, and I'm able to see which company paid me that money. I feel like this is a really unique feature. This is very nice. This is a very nice feature. Okay, so I think this kind of thing will make M1 more of a better app. It really is a great app already, but by adding this feature, it makes it even greater. I pay for the service. I pay $99 a year, or $100 a year, but I get way more benefit than the $100 that I'm paying. Like, especially when it comes to spend, you get 1% back every year, and when it comes to borrow, you're able to borrow at 2%. It's like free money for days. Anyways, so this is another thing that they're doing that just makes the portfolio a little bit more better, a little bit more enticing to use. Okay, so let's take a look here again. We look at 1 month here. I've got paid $9.61, and out of all this company, if I want to figure out which one paid me, I can just click right here and I'm able to see, oh, Vici paid me $5. That's okay. That's nice. At least I know, okay, this month Vici paid me a lot of money. Maybe when Vici goes down next month, I can buy some more. Simon Property paid me $1.20. Realty Income paid me $1.20. This is really nice. It's packaged in such a nice way. Those people those people from M1 that thought about this, as an M1 user, I really love this feature. It's quite neat. It's quite unique. Look here, if I click on 1 year, you're able to see, okay, I got paid $581 for the past trailing year, and I'm able to see which sector of my portfolio paid me that money, which is nice. This is very nice to have, and I thought I should do a separate video sharing this exact thing with you guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like what I do here, look around my channel. I talk about this portfolio. Go back and check the previous video. I did an update on this portfolio already. I'm not gonna talk about it here, but go back and check on that previous video. So yeah, if you like what I do, again, subscribe. I'm a relatively new YouTuber. I have pretty unique way to look at the market. So if you want to follow along, stick around. Appreciate you. Again, love you all. Until next time, see you later.
Louisa.